I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by getting the right tools and a safe route. Grab a metal pick or hatchet and stack stone and flint. Go straight to mountain zones or caves where metal nodes spawn and prioritize nodes that look dark red or black. Once you arrive, hit low-threat nodes first to test respawn and carry capacity. Make sure to pick cooler times of day in-game if overheating is an issue. Stash gathered ore in a secure container or Dino inventory before leaving. Once you have raw metal ore, smelt it efficiently. A stone or industrial forge converts ore into metal ingots. Use charcoal or coal inside simple forges. Switch to spark powder, gasoline, or element in advanced forges for speed. Make sure you maintain fuel levels and set stacks to split so you don't overcook. For transport, place ingots on an ankylosaurus or use platform saddles on large flyers to move bulk metal. If you plan now, convert your ingots into what you need. Weapons, armor, or base components at the appropriate crafting station. Higher-tier items require more metal per recipe. Place metal storage or vault boxes in a secure area and consider turret coverage for high-value stacks. If you find nodes empty or metal not appearing, check server resource multipliers and node respawn timers, then try other mountain ranges or caves. Sometimes elevation or server desync prevents nodes spawning, so moving a few hundred meters often fixes it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.